How do you make friends, especially if you're an introvert, without trying really hard? I'm an introvert and it's quite challenging for me to approach people, start a conversation, and make friends with people I don't know. But I really want to have a lot of friends because it's just so nice to have a lot of friends around you. Look at what I'm wearing right now. It's so cool. This shirt is filled with signatures of people I've met during an event. Also, I took selfies with them. Of course, you have to exert effort if you want to make friends, but there's a secret to this. If you're a shy introvert just like me, watch till the end of this video because I will be sharing with you guys a strategy on how to make a ton of friends without breaking a sweat. But why would you want to have a ton of friends? Let me give you first some reasons why you should have some friends. Number one is because we were made Betzelem Elohim. That means created in the image and likeness of God. And God created human beings, us, to connect with Him and also with other people. No man is an island. Next is you feel good when you're surrounded by friends. More friends means more fun, especially when you're surrounded by crazy Filipinos. Yes, you will have a lot of fun when you're surrounded by friends. Number three is you will grow emotionally and psychologically because you will have to adjust to different personalities or personality traits. Number four is there will be more opportunities for you to expand and to grow, especially when it comes to business. More friends means more opportunities for you to expand. And lastly, number five, you might find your soulmate. Yes, the person who will love you for the rest of your life. Unfortunately for me, that's not the case. Without further ado, here is the strategy that I have 3 simple steps to making a lot of friends without breaking a sweat. Number one is to go to a place, an event, or a gathering where people are interested in making friends, not enemies. In my case, I joined a Christian youth camp. I live in the Philippines, fortunately, and it's easier for me to find these kinds of events or places because, Filipinos are one of the friendliest people on earth. That's a fact. More people equals more opportunities to have friends. Number two, connect with key persons or people. Who are these key persons? These are individuals with influence. Usually they are extroverts who talk a lot and have a lot of followers and are leaders. Now, it's challenging for me to approach people and make friends because of my nature. I'm a deep introvert. I'm a very shy person. I exert a lot of effort just to approach one person. But if I just approach one key person, I might have more opportunities to make friends without breaking a sweat. If I approach one key person directly, they might open a door of possibilities for me. Just one person. If I approach one key person directly, okay, they might. So you have to connect with key people, persons, or individuals with the influence. For example, I have this person in mind. This American Filipino guy named Amphil. And I connected with this person because he is a key person during this youth camp. Fortunately for me, he's my cousin. So it's easy for me to connect with this guy and ask him to help me make friends and have my t-shirt signed because he is a key person. And also another one, this beautiful young lady right here named Princess, aka Bibi. She has a lot of influence and a lot of followers, so I connected with her and she opened a door of possibilities for me. So connecting with key people with influence. So that's number two. And let me show you why it's easier for you to connect with key people rather than connecting with just individuals. Because, for example, if this is you right here and you want to connect with people, for example, these are people during an event. Okay, this, I'm not sure if you can see my drawing. Really good at, not really good at drawing phases. If you want to connect with these people, exert effort one by one. But if you connect with just one person, a person of influence, for example, this one right here is Phil, and he has a lot of followers surrounding him. Okay? A lot of followers, a lot of smiling faces, new faces you don't know. And if you want to connect with this person, let me first. So this person right here, he has a lot of influence. He can influence these people. If you go directly to this person, you will exert this effort to connect with this person, and this person right here will help you, will open a door of possibilities for you to have a lot of friends. Okay, so connect with this person and you will be connecting with a lot of individuals. It's easier than connecting with one person at a time. So that is number two. And number three is be friendly or approachable. And according to Proverbs 18, verse 24, a man that hath friends must shew himself friendly. And there is a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. There are two parts to this passage. Let's focus on the first part. So there are two parts. The first is be friendly and approachable. And the second one is talking about the quality of friends that you should have. The first one is, it says right here, a man that hath friends must shew himself friendly. If you flip this sentence, show yourself friendly equals have friends. This is a principle in the scripture that you can use so you can have a lot of friends. Just show yourself as friendly or approachable. When people talk to you, don't have this kind of face. You need to wear a smile. Because people will approach you if you seem to be approachable. If you have a positive expression, people will go to you and will introduce themselves to you. You don't have to be an extrovert to make a lot of friends. You can be an introvert, a shy person, but be approachable. You need to be friendly and approachable. So I followed these three simple steps and this happened. Insert pictures of selfies. I got out of my comfort zone to have my t-shirt signed. It was quite challenging, of course, but I had a lot of fun. You just have to follow the steps and be approachable, and life will open opportunities. I'm an introvert, so sometimes I have to recharge my social batteries. Then I continue the next day. So that is my strategy, making a lot of friends without breaking a sweat. Let's recap. First is to go to places, events, gatherings where people are interested in making friends, not enemies. Number 2, connect with key people and ask for their help, so you can have a lot of friends without breaking a sweat. And number 3, remember Proverbs 18:24. A man that hath friends must show himself friendly. And that was how I got this t-shirt sign. Now it's your turn to make a lot of friends. You can do it even if you're shy. Just be friendly, approachable. Bye for now. See you in the next video.